Thanksgiving.
This is the first time I was able to go through and didn't have to get an extra pat down. And I think the only reason I didn't have to get one is I went through the old time metal detector and I didn't go through the x-ray. But every time I go through that x-ray machine, I have to get patted down, my hands get wiped, all this stuff. It's ridiculous. So I'm happy so far.
Me too. Southwest is doing a good job. I ain't too mad at it. Got through no problem. Didn't have to put out my laptop or anything.
And everybody's been really nice. But you were supposed to take out your laptop.
Yeah, but ain't nobody tell me that, so I didn't know. Whatever. But we're on the way.
Train is departing.
On the train. Riding up the escalator. Getting ready to go to our gate. Right?
Oh my god, look at my hair.
Her hair is messed up. But you know, it's just all that wind blowing and stuff.
On the train?
Yeah. The train goes kind of fast. Blowing all that wind and everything. I feel like I'm gonna fall off this escalator. I don't know why. Ooh, it's bright up here. Look at that sunlight. Ooh. Dayla has walked.
Just in the airport.
Just in the airport has walked. How many?
1,700.
We are here just checking into Southwest for our flight for our first time. And what's your name?
Berthelina.
Berthelina. She's going to tell us, welcome to Southwest.
Welcome to Southwest.
Thank you, Berthelina.
You're welcome.
It's very nice. We're gonna have a great flight today. Thank you. All right, so Berthelina helped me out by saying welcome to Southwest. So now I'm getting ready to go get something to eat. And then we'll just chillax till it's time for our flight. We got about 2 hours. So we got here really, really early, but it's better to be early than late, right? All right, we'll check in with you guys a little bit later. About 5, 6 rows back. So. Probably not. So we'll just subtitle it on the bottom. What is that? Is that you?
No, I did not do that.
You sure?
I do fit like this, but I did not have a soul glow moment. Never fails. Thanksgiving is always a line. People trying to get vehicles to get to their families. So we'll see how long this takes. Line doesn't look as bad as last year, but still kind of long. Alright guys, so we are at the Sheraton, excuse me, 4 Points by Sheraton. And this is in Miami at the airport, but I might as well say in the airport because that plane was pretty close.
gorgeous. Look at the balcony.
We're in the cell phone lot in Miami airport, waiting for mom and dad to get off their plane.
You wanna go where people know,
Boom.
where people are always saying.
Boom.
You wanna go where everybody knows your name.
Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo, boom-doo. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo. We have finally picked up mom and daddy from the airport. Here we are. And there they are.
Here we are.
Now we're gonna go get something to eat.
I'm hungry.
She's hungry. Okay, so we are now in Miami after taking our first Southwest flight from
Atlanta.
Atlanta. I can't remember where we were. So we just wanted to kind of give you an update on what we thought about Southwest for the very first time. Go right ahead.
Okay, so my thoughts with Southwest. So Corey knows that I call planes Greyhound buses in the sky. So I have only flown Delta before, and honestly I've only flown first class because I've been scared about seat size. So I haven't flown it often. So of that though, even first class is a Greyhound bus in the sky. So I didn't know what. That's not true. I also flew AirTran once back in the day. Anyway, but whatever. So I was a little concerned about Southwest because they don't have classes, and all their seats are the same sizes. But I will say that I did use their customer size policy. So I did buy a second seat. Mm-hmm. And I am so glad that I did, mm-hmm. Because I would not have been comfortable otherwise. And honestly, it's not even about the hip room. The hip room would have been uncomfortable, but maybe doable. But for me, it was the knee room. Like, I was fidgeting, and I needed to be able to turn side to side so I could have more knee room. That aside, though, honestly, first class versus Southwest all class, there's no difference in terms of the actual flight, the plane itself. Like, you still got the same leather seats. It's all of us in there. It's still Greyhound bus in the sky. And I don't mean that in a negative way, but what I'm saying is, like, it's a bunch of people trying to get to a plane. It's not luxurious. There's nothing luxurious about it. It's just feels, I guess, normal, regular, whatever. And so the fact that Southwest is less expensive and I don't have to get first class, because even buying 2 seats for me is cheaper than 1 first class on Delta.
It is.
It is. So don't get me wrong, I like Delta, but I'm also saying that I like Southwest. And if we fly Southwest, we can actually afford to fly maybe more often. Everybody was so nice at Southwest.
Nice. Very
nice.
Yep.
So I honestly feel like value-wise, Southwest.
I agree.
But we live in Atlanta, and so Delta is going to fly more places in Southwest. But I love that I feel like it definitely could be a good option. And we actually already have another flight booked.
I think our first Southwest experience was great. I will definitely try it again. Shout out to all the attendants and people who work there. They really did a wonderful job. It was comfortable and a good option for us if we don't want to go Delta.
And so this is where I tell you whether I think you should skip, try, or buy. And this is definitely a buy.
I'd buy it too, absolutely. Definitely a buy. So far, day 1, we're doing great. We're in Miami, like we said, on our way to our cruise in the next couple of days. So we'll see you guys a little bit later.
Shout out to Ty for helping us get in that A.
Yes, thank you, Ty, for getting us on there. Appreciate that. Bye. I know y'all don't have smell-o-vision, but I shower.
I smell like lemons.
Did you say you had to pee?
No, I said I was asleep.
Oh, it is nap time.